Bought a phone from China or selected the wrong language when setting up your phone? No need to worry. You can easily change the system language on your Android phone by heading into the settings. You can also add as many languages as you want, which is helpful for bilingual users. We'll show you how to do it in this easy guide. For the purposes of this guide we used a Huawei Honor 10 Lite, but you can use just about any Android phone and the steps will be the same. Open Settings from the app drawer or home screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap System. Tap Language and Input. Tap Language and Region. Choose Add a Language plus button. Pick a language from the list. Once the language is added, press and hold the two horizontal lines and move your preferred language to the top. To remove the old language, press 3 vertically dots on the top right corner of the screen and press Remove. Select the language which you want to remove. Select Remove.